Hello students, welcome to the lesson today. So students, today in a continuation with the fraction numbers, in our previous lecture we have discussed about addition of fraction numbers. Today we are going to discuss subtraction of the fractional numbers. How you can subtract the fraction numbers. The process is same as we have done in the addition. The only difference, there we have added the term, now you have to subtract the term. So let us discuss the solution one by one and understand the concept in a better manner. So the solution for the first one, where you have to subtract 7 upon 24 and 3 upon 48. So you have to subtract these two fraction numbers, and what we were doing when we were adding, as the denominators are different, that means very first we have to take the LCM of the denominators. So taking the LCM of the denominators 24 and 48. Let's find out what will be the denominator of these two, LCM of these two denominators. Dividing up by 2, 12, 24. Again by 2, 6, 12. Again by 2, 3, 6. Now 3 ones are 2s are. So the LCM here for 24 and 48 will be 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 2s are 48. That means the LCM of 24 and 48 is 48. So in the next step, we will write 48 in the denominator. Now the step is just the same as we have done in the addition of fraction numbers. Divide this denominator of 48 with 24. So 24 2s are 48. Keep these two on your finger and multiply 2 with the numerator of the same fraction, that is 7. Clear? So 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. Minus sign. 48 divided by 48, 1. And multiply the numerator, that is 3 with 1. So 3 ones are 3. What will be your answer? 14 minus 3, 11. So your final answer for the difference of these two fraction is 11 upon 48. And since the answer is in proper fraction, so there is no need to do any conversion. Also, I can clearly see, and even you can also find up, that this number is already in its simplest form. So there is no need to write in the lowest term also, and there is no need to convert it into it mixed format also, because the answer is in proper fraction. Clear, students? Now let's check out the solution for the second part, where your number is 6 minus 1 upon 9. So I can write 6 as 6 upon 1 minus 1 upon 9. Take the LCM of 1 and 9. What will be the LCM of 1 and 9? 9. Clear? Now divide 9 with 1. Dividing 9 by 1. So that will be 9. And 9 multiplied by 6. That means the numerator of the number 9 6 are 54. Minus 9 divided by 9, 1, and 1 multiplied with the numerator 1 ones are 1. So what is the answer? 54 minus 1, 53 upon 9. And you can see here the number is an improper fraction. So let's convert this into its mixed fraction. So 53 divided by 9. 9 5s are 45. Subtracting here, so 53 minus 45 will be 8. Clear? Now let's write it into its mixed format. That will be 8, 5, 8 upon 9. So the final answer for 6 minus 1 upon 9 is 5, 8 upon 9. Clear, students? Let's check out the solution for the third part. And in this third part, one of the value is a mixed fraction and the second value is a proper fraction. So what you will do very first, convert the mixed fraction into its improper fraction. So 4 13s are 13 4s are 52. 52 plus 1 53 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2. In the next step, take the LCM of 4 and 2. Dividing by 2, 2 ones are. Dividing by 2, 2 ones are. So what will be the LCM of 4 and 2? 2 multiplied by 2, that means 4. So the LCM of 2 multiplied by 2 and 4 is 4. Write the 4 in the denominator. Now divide 4 with 4. Dividing 4 with 4, answer is 1. Multiply this 1 with the numerator, that is 53. So 53 ones are 53 minus. Divide 4 by 2. So 2 2s are 4. That means quotient is 2. And this 2 will be multiplied with the numerator of the number, that is 2 ones are 2. Clear? So 53 minus 2. What will be the answer? 51 upon 4. Once again, our answer is an improper fraction. So the next step, we will convert this into mixed fraction. 4 ones are 4. 1 11, 4 2s are 8. So the remainder is 3, quotient is 12 and the divisor is 4. So let's write it 12 3 upon 4. This is the difference of 13 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2. The final answer is 12 3 upon 4. So students, just like addition of the fraction numbers, we have subtraction of the fraction numbers also. The process is exactly the same. Taking the LCM, writing up the numbers here, subtracting the value and then changing it into its mixed form. The only difference is you have to subtract the number. In addition, we were adding the number. Here, we are just subtracting the numbers. I hope this method and this concept of subtraction of fraction number is clear to all of you. Thank you for the lesson, students. Have a nice day.